Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 7th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. The humidity. I do not like it. Very humid overnight last night. Temperatures barely going under 80 for much of the evening and then finally getting into the 70s. Yesterday I walked really early. I started walking the dog at like 4:45 because he doesn't like the humidity either. And just what are you going to do? It is what it is. And if you don't like it, you got to kind of do your inside stuff in the middle of the day and your outside stuff in the morning or the shoulder. Around 6:30, 7 o'clock, things start to cool off enough that it's able to be outside. So that's what you got. Temperatures today with the heat advisory, probably 90 to 95. It feels near 100. As we head for the overnight hours tonight, same thing, 80s in the evening, 70s late at night. Tomorrow, the only difference is I'm going to throw in the chance for a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. There was a few yesterday on radar. I was looking before I went to bed, and there were some showers and thunderstorms well west, northwest, up northwest of Leominster, down across, kind of the border towns up around Keene between Vermont and New Hampshire, also a few more in the Berkshires. And there are actually some flood advisories up around the Albany area. So I don't expect that we're going to see anything like that here today. But again, tomorrow we might see some of that. And then Sunday, still humid, perhaps a few ticks off the humidity, but still, 60s to near 70, especially at least the first half of the day, and temperatures up near 90. Same thing on Monday. So it's a very summery pattern here. A lot of folks take vacation as we'll be getting back into school sessions. It's still a few weeks away, but not that far. There's a few schools that start on the 24th of August. Have a great morning, everybody, and a good weekend.